Hi everyone, welcome back to my Taboo's Voice channel. Today we are going to be talking about love. I am on a walk and I felt the call to stop and do a real little recording for everyone. And truly, love is, I know it sounds cliche, okay, but love is the path. The only way to heal yourself and get yourself back on to the path that you're meant to be on, that you came here for, is to walk in the path of love. If you guys have been with me ever since the beginning, you guys will understand why I talk about this quite often, because that was my journey. I could not have healed myself if I did not provide myself that love that I needed and deserve. And I was busy giving it to everyone except for myself. Because what's so crazy is that, to me, giving was so fulfilling. But why was it depleting me as well? And the reason why it was depleting me was that the people that I was giving to, they were takers. They kept on just taking and taking and taking. And then eventually they started expecting, because what would happen is that, as somebody who is depleted, you would need to replenish yourself. You can't give anything else because your cup is empty. And so when you stop giving, the look on their face and the energies that they give off is like, it's almost as if, like, what's wrong with you? And it's not their, the problem is that it's not about putting anybody in the box of blaming, but it's more of, because you were giving, they didn't mind taking. And because they were not giving to themselves and you were filling their cup, helped them from not feeling so empty and alone. And so I think maybe this talk is meant to say that it's time for you to love yourself. It's time to give back to yourself. It's time to heal yourself with your beautiful love that you have deprived yourself of. And give it to you so you can close up all the wounds that are still open within you. And what's so interesting is that I don't think that people realize how easy it is to heal yourself, and it starts by just making time for yourself, not putting yourself last. That's all. Just do things that aligns with you and really bring so much love and joy back into your world. And then eventually it's going to bring in creativities and help you attract some beautiful people in your life. truly, when you love yourself, there is no negative. There's only positive that comes back in return. When you love yourself is when you really understand your true worth, how powerful you are, and how beautiful you are, and how healing your love is. And that's the reason why there were so many people that was so attracted to your energy. But the thing is that it's time for them to start learning how to replenish themselves. Right now is your time to take care of you and give it to you. Let them take care of themselves. Who cares if they get mad at you? Give it to yourself. This is Mother Nature's message for you. Give it to you. Because if you think about it, the trees, grass, the animals in Mother Nature, they would not be able to survive if they did not provide themselves the nutrition. That is just nearly impossible. They all take resource from the ground, from around them. And look at them thriving. Nobody's fighting one another. Everybody's thriving the same way. And that is it, is that if we all just take care of ourselves, we all will be thriving the same way. So keep that in the back of your head, and fear not about, okay, I'm gonna try to make sense of what I'm thinking in my head. Don't fear about if you stop giving to someone, they are gonna abandon you, okay? Because that means that they were never there for you in the first place. That means that they were only there because you were their supply that they wanted and needed. They weren't there for you. They were there because you were giving them something that they want. So if you start giving to yourself and they have issues, it means that it was best that they left your world anyway. Because you don't need people like that in your life. You deserve beautiful people in your life that does not deplete you. We can all share the same space and not deplete each other. And how? Is because we give it to ourselves. We don't expect it from one another. So take this as a beautiful message and confirmation that it is okay for you to start giving to yourself, loving yourself, giving yourself that nourishment, love, care, forgiveness, compassion, everything beautiful that you deserve, to bring life back to your world, to bring creativity back to your world, to bring rainbows back to your world, to bring life back to your world. You got this. I love you. It's not going to happen overnight. It is going to take time. But you know what? It's going to be a beautiful journey that you will never, ever forget. And it will be the starting point that when you look back, you're going to... The only thing you're going to say is that, why didn't I start sooner? That's it. That's all you're going to say. I love you all so much. Take beautiful care of yourself. and I will talk to everyone soon.